Hello viewers, welcome back to Ivy Endeavors. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm coming back to you with another interesting recipe. The recipe is of potato and leek soup. This soup is a very famous soup from French cuisine, and today I am going to show you step by step method of how to prepare it at home. So let's get started with the process of making potato and leek soup. For this we need leek, potatoes, garlic, butter, some fresh cream, some bay leaves, and I am using parsley for garnishing, but you can use thyme as well based on the availability. And I use oregano also for garnishing this soup, that is not there in this picture. And friends, one tip I want to give you here is that you can use spring onions in place of leek. If you don't have leek, you can use spring onions. Now the first step in preparing this soup is to wash the leek thoroughly with water. You cut the leek into halves and then wash it thoroughly with water like this. After this, we melt the butter in a saucepan, chop all the vegetables. Now I'm going to add the chopped leek into the saucepan, as you can see. Give it a good stir, nice stir. And keep frying it till it becomes translucent. So viewers, you see the leek is becoming translucent now. We are going to add the chopped potatoes into the saucepan. So viewers, after frying the potatoes for say some 5 to 6 minutes, I am going to add salt. This should be as per your taste. Then our bay leaves, in goes our bay leaves, and I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper into it and keep stirring it. This is after another 5 minutes of stirring. You can see all the flavors are being infused in one another. Our leek is translucent, our potatoes are shiny, and friends, we have to do this whole process on medium flame because otherwise the butter will become burnt and you will get a burnt flavor. So throughout you have to do it in a medium flame. And now that our potatoes are a little cooked, they don't have to become very mushy or soft, I am going to add say 3 to 4 cups of water, warm water into it. I am doing this with water today, friends, but you can use vegetable broth or chicken broth also based on your preference. That will enhance the taste. I am giving it a good little stir. And now I am going to close the lid and let it simmer and boil slowly for another 15 to 20 minutes. Viewers, after 15 minutes of simmering, you can see our leek and potatoes are very nicely boiled. I can show you one piece. See, I can break it, I can mash it completely. So now I have taken out the bay leaves also, and then I am going to mash this soup with this hand blender. As you can see, I'm going to mash it. If you don't have a hand blender, you can do this process with the help of a normal blender also. What you need to take care of is that you don't fill it completely, you do it in batches and turn it into a smooth paste. So we are done with blending the soup, and you can see it is very nice, smooth and mushy. It's very mushy. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add a cup of fresh cream into it. In goes our cream. You can adjust the amount of cream as well based on your taste and preferences, but we like to keep it thick. And now we are going to simmer it for another 5 minutes. So viewers, after adding the cream and 5 minutes of simmering it, you can see the soup has got a dense, thick consistency and see the nice color. This is the time when we can take it off from the burner. Leek and potato soup to be enjoyed at dinner tonight on a rainy, breezy evening in Mumbai. And in goes a burger with this potato and leek soup. I hope you enjoyed our video and you try it out at home. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe for more such nice and easy to try recipes. Thanks for watching.